Hey everyone! Today, we're learning 5 words that'll make you sound super smart, but don't worry, they're actually pretty easy to use. No need to sound like you swallowed a dictionary. 1. Cruel. This usually means inflicting pain or suffering, but with a sarcastic twist, it can describe someone who's maybe a little overly enthusiastic with their tough love. Imagine your friend gives you constructive criticism about your outfit that feels more like an attack. You might hold back a tear and say, "Wow, thanks for the honest feedback. Your cruel honesty is exactly what I needed to feel terrible about myself today." The sarcasm highlights how harsh their advice feels. 2. Immaculate. This describes something perfectly clean and spotless, but sarcastically, it can be used to describe a situation that's a complete and utter mess. Imagine you walk into your friend's room and it looks like a hurricane hit. Clothes are everywhere, dishes are piled high, and there's a questionable smell in the air. You might pinch your nose and say, "Wow, this room is immaculate," just like a museum dedicated to chaos. The sarcasm mocks the complete lack of cleanliness. 3. Indolent. This describes someone lazy or lethargic, but sarcastically, it can be used to playfully poke fun at someone who's taking a well-deserved break. Imagine you catch your friend lounging on the couch after a long week of work. You might raise an eyebrow and say, well, look who's being so indolent today. Must be tough being that incredibly busy professional couch potato." The sarcasm teases their laziness in a light-hearted way. 4. Sleek. This describes something smooth, stylish, and streamlined, but sarcastically, it can describe something that's trying a bit too hard to look cool, but maybe comes across as cheap or awkward. Imagine your friend is wearing a new outfit that's a little loud and busy. You might give them a thumbs up and say, "Wow, that outfit is super sleek," in a, "Hey, look at me, I bought all the fabric at the store" kind of way. The sarcasm highlights the outfit's attempt at coolness in a funny way. 5. Exceptional. This means outstanding or very good. But sarcastically, it can describe something that's just average. Imagine you try a new restaurant and the food is okay, but nothing special. You might pat your stomach and say, "Wow, that meal was truly exceptional, just as exceptional as any other random Tuesday night dinner." The sarcasm downplays the quality of the experience in a funny way. All right, that's your vocabulary lesson for today. Now you can go out there and impress your friends, or maybe just confuse them a little, with your newfound knowledge of these fancy words. But remember, using big words isn't about showing off. It's about using them clearly to communicate like a normal human being. So, keep it simple, keep it real, and we'll see you next time for another round of vocabulary fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.